Alright guys, we're back with another stream do-it-yourself video. Well, in this video guys, we're going to be discussing how to add a countdown timer to your live streams or content. So this is going to be important for those of you that want to like time something, or maybe in Minecraft doing 15-minute builds, or on your live stream you want to count down till your stream starts, or whatever you may need a timer for. This is how you're actually gonna add it into your OBS. So without any further ado guys, let's jump on in and show you how to do that. But if you guys are new around here, make sure you're smashing that like button, smashing that subscribe button, and hanging out with us over on our Twitch and discussing really anything to do with streaming, gaming in general. So without any further ado guys, let's jump on in and show you exactly how to set this up. Alright guys, once you've downloaded the application from the link that I've provided in the description below, you'll have a program called SNAZ, and it'll look very similar to a screen that I have over on the side here. So, over here guys, it does look pretty confusing, and there's two ways of doing this, and we're gonna show you both ways on this application, and then at the end of the video we will show you how to actually add this in to your OBS. So basically what you're going to want to do is pay attention to the bottom here. What you're going to want to do is copy the path to the clipboard after you have the settings set. So you can delete the days and the hours here if you don't want that, and you sync it with the time, and you go up 15 minutes or 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, whatever you wanted. Then you'd hit start. So I have an 19-minute timer started, and I could copy that to the clipboard. That will actually copy what file it's being saved to. But the much easier way of doing that, I just know people like that option in this application. That's why some people choose it. Because let's say you were expecting a delivery while you were on stream, or a call or something, you could count down to the exact time that you gotta leave for a couple minutes, or count down to the exact time that you have to get off for the night, or whatever it may be. But for generic, just 15-minute, 10-minute, 8-minute timers, whatever, you're gonna wanna go all the way over to Chronos. This is the easiest way that I have found to do it. So you can, depending on how you wanna do it, so I'm gonna go minutes and seconds. So I have my minutes and seconds here, and I've deleted the other hours from there. And I've set the 15-minute timer. I can stop it, and I can start my 15-minute timer now. And as you guys can see, this is now a 15-minute timer, and again, I can copy it to the clipboard. So you can also change a bunch of other different settings in here, but we're not going to discuss all these different settings. Just play around with it guys and figure out what you want. If you wanted to count up timer, you could go chrono up and do the exact same thing. So let's say you wanted to see how long it takes you to beat a boss, you could turn this on and see exactly how long it takes for you to beat the boss or whatever. But once again, you're going to go ahead and go copy a path to clipboard, and now we're gonna jump on over into our OBS and show you how to actually set it on up. Alright guys, we're here in our OBS. I've just added a blank kind of background over my display window so you guys can't so you guys don't see the problem of the continuing screens. I call it the echoing screens, but the same display over and over and over again, and giving you guys the headache and not being able to actually follow along. So all you're gonna want to do is go into text GDI when you're adding a source, and then from here guys, all you're gonna want to do is go ahead and add in a timer. So I already have a couple timers set, but we'll just name it whatever, and you'll have a screen that looks very similar to this now. And when you're here, guys, you can change your font to literally be whatever font you want. So whatever, bold, change the size, whatever you want. But after you have it, and you can change your color and everything just like you can any other text. You're gonna want to go ahead and go read from file, and then go browse, and then you'll have your little whatchamacallit window here. Windows window, I guess you would call it. And just down in the file name, you would go ahead and paste your copied to clipboard file name that you saved from SNAZ. And you just open that up, and there you go. You now have a timer on the screen.